bubbling up. Yes, it is bubbling up. Yeah. And I have a little curry chicken. Curry chicken. You see curry chicken? Yes. And some white rice. Some brown rice. I cook brown rice. Yes. Curry chicken. Right? Curry chicken. Pepper pot soup. This is a pepper pot soup. Real nice soup. Anti-clear cooking channel this. Early Monday morning. Good soup. Okra, callaloo, what you name it. Right? And curry chicken. And then you have rice on top of it. Curry chicken. So this is the menu for today. You see it, you like it, you say what you want. That's it. You know? Anything you see and like, just subscribe. I can tell you how to do it too. And you go ahead and do it. Right? I'm doing this cooking. Now, plain, everything you know in it. Corn, everything. Yes. Okay. This is the pot. Okay. Yes. You see it? Early. I'm boiling it. Make it ready. Okay. Yes. And curry chicken. Rice. And that. I'm doing that. Okay.